Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert text to data in Excel. We are going to open the Excel file to see the recorded data. Select the data and from the number group confirm that the text option is selected. Now right-click on these values and select Copy. Then paste those values into another cell. You are going to select these new values, and from the number group you are going to use the drop-down list to choose the general option. Now the text will have the number format in Excel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.